Hello everyone! Today, we will learn about the key points of inbound and outbound calls through a healthcare mock call example. Before you proceed with this video, make sure that you really understand what inbound and outbound calls are. This will help you follow along. If you're unsure, I have video where I can explain inbound and outbound calls, and I've included the link in description box below. Now, let's move on to understanding what is a mock call. A mock call is a simulated or pretend phone call used to help people practice talking on the phone. It's a way to get better at handling real phone conversations without any pressure. Mock calls are often used in customer service training to prepare employees for handling real customer interactions. Now, let's move on to a mock call example for an inbound call. Topic: Patient calling for appointment. Thank you for calling XYZ Clinic. This is Mel. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to schedule an appointment with Dr. Smith.
Certainly. Can I have your full name and date of birth, please?
Sure, my name is John Concepcion and my date of birth is June 22, 1998.
Thank you, John. Are you a new patient or have you visited us before?
I'm a new patient.
Great, welcome. I just need to gather some additional information to get you registered in our system. Can I have your contact number and address?
My contact number is 091234567889 and my address is 942 Chodora Alonso Street, Santa Cruz, Manila.
Thank you. Now, what is the reason for your visit?
I've been some issues with my back and would like to see Dr. Smith.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Dr. Smith specializes in back issues and will be happy to see you. Let's find a suitable time for your appointment. How does tomorrow, June 13th at 4 p.m.?
That works for me.
Great! I've scheduled your appointment for tomorrow, June 13 at 4 p.m. with Dr. Smith. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day and we look forward to seeing you. Now, let's move on to a mock call example for an outbound call. Topic: Follow up on test results. Hello, may I speak with John Concepcion, please?
This is John Concepcion.
Hi, John. This is Marimal from XYZ Clinic. I'm calling to follow up on your recent test results. Do you have a few minutes to discuss them?
Yes, I do.
Great. I'm happy to inform you that your results came back normal. Dr. Smith has reviewed them and everything looks good. Do you have any questions about your test results?
No, that's wonderful news. Thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome. If you have any concerns or experience any new symptoms, please don't hesitate to contact us. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you.
All right. Have a great day, John. Take care. Now, these are the key points for an inbound and outbound call. Identify yourself and the organization clearly. Verify the patient's identity to ensure the privacy and confidentiality. Gather necessary information efficiently. Be empathetic and professional throughout the call. Ensure the patient understands the next steps and provide clear instructions. Offer further assistance before ending the call. If you learn from this video, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.